Welcome to the Alt Phone channel. Apple launched first 17.3, including the new feature is called Stolen Device Protection. This additional layer of security is designed to protect your iPhone and passwords for peace of mind stolen. When the phone is at an unknown location, it sends notifications immediately, and a second alarm came an hour later. To set up stolen device protection, follow these simple steps. Go to Settings. Scroll down to Face ID and Passcode. Choose Stolen Device Protection. Open it. After enabling this feature, sensitive operations requires Face ID or Touch ID authentication. The security check is delayed 1 hour in advance recertifying. However, if you use iPhone in familiar places, such as your home or workplace, if you forget your iPhone passcode, you can try erasing your iPhone. If your phone has been upgraded to iOS 17, you can quickly reset your phone from the screen. All you have to do is try typing wrong password 4 times. You will see the Forgot Password option appears in the lower right corner. Click it and enter your Apple ID password. Reset your phone and regain access. Here we can see that when resetting the phone, a window will appear with the message authentication disabled. It is important to note that if you are familiar location to access reset, just click the interface, even without Face ID. But if you are in a strange place, Face ID verification is required to prevent unauthorized reset and prevent theft. It is worth mentioning that if you use a third party, you won't encounter software like Alt Phone iPhone Unlock. This tool can directly unlock your screen password. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.